Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated Fulton trailer jacks, the Fulton 14130401334F2 wide track trailer tongue jack. If you're looking for a durable and reliable trailer jack to make your trailer experience smoother, then this is the product you need to consider. The Fulton F2 wide track trailer tongue jack offers an impressive 1,600-pound weight capacity, making it a strong choice for all your towing and trailer needs. It's designed with a wide track wheel design, which not only provides superior stability but also ensures better maneuverability. Whether you're using it for RVs, boats, or utility trailers, this trailer jack will handle the job with ease. One of the standout features of the Fulton trailer tongue jack is its maintenance-free design. Thanks to advanced engineering, the internal and external components are coated for corrosion resistance, meaning you don't need to worry about constant lubrication. Just an occasional cleaning with mild soap and water is all it needs to keep it looking and performing at its best. This feature is perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience, particularly in harsh environments where rust and corrosion could be a problem. The Fulton F2 wide track jack also stands out with its ergonomic design. The crank handle, release pin, and integrated wheel wedge are all made from high-strength engineered plastic, which makes handling comfortable and efficient. The wheel design and overall structure ensure smooth operation, making it easy to raise or lower your trailer. The 10-inch screw travel and 8-inch mount travel provide ample adjustment for various trailer heights, giving you flexibility in different conditions. For added convenience, the Fulton trailer tongue jack comes in both bolt-on and weld-on versions, allowing you to choose the best installation method for your trailer. It's compatible with up to 5-inch tongues, making it a versatile option for a wide range of trailers. In terms of durability, this trailer jack can withstand tough environments, and its corrosion-resistant coating ensures it maintains its peak performance over time. Whether you're dealing with saltwater or extreme temperatures, the Fulton F2 jack has been built to last. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and high-performance trailer jack, the Fulton F2 wide track trailer tongue jack is an excellent choice. Its combination of strength, ergonomic design, and maintenance-free features makes it a must-have for anyone needing a durable solution for their trailer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this product.